Welcome to IKEA Home Stories. We want to show how home furnishing solutions can make your everyday that little bit better. For this first home story, we're going to meet Bhuvana, who lives with her husband, her 2 adult sons, and her father in an apartment in Hyderabad. So come have a look.
I am Bhuvana.
I am Adishankar.
We are married for the past 30 years. I started pursuing my hobbies after 25 years of marriage. I started a YouTube channel. We have 2 sons and both are finished studying.
Flat of ours we bought in the year 1995. Our bedroom actually had a balcony, but when we bought it, we felt that room size was a little small. There are a lot of issues with the bedroom as it exists now. We have been going along with it.
It's become too cramped and cluttered because of it's used as a study as well as my stitching area. Everything is clubbed in that room. He has got the habit of pulling out his chair from when he's working on his studies, and I'll bump into it and will get irritated. One thing which makes me happy in my room is my dressing table. At times even there I find it difficult. Sometimes when I'm going for an occasion for a function like marriage or something, I'll be searching my things because I have arranged in small boxes. The men in the household, they throw the towels wherever they want. First thing they throw it on the bedroom, which I hate.
So we have recently got a smelling hook and then we have put all those clothes.
Yes,
even on that there is no space for my towel. So even 2 days back we had an argument. I said there is no space for my towel in my room. I am quite a disorganized person in my workstation.
He had got shelves for keeping his files and everything, but everything will be lying there.
I like to lean back in about 70-80 degree, and then I just like to listen to music, which is not very comfortable in this bed because it's got a high back rest, and I have to manage with 2 pillows and things like that. There are a lot of times she will get irritated. She will say this doesn't look like a bedroom at all.
I was overwhelmed when I got the phone call and they were asking me whether we can come over and get one of your rooms done, and then I came to know it was a bedroom. I didn't know which room it's going to be. This is really a blessing, really.
It's just like a dream come true.
Now that we've seen how Bhuvana lives her life at home, the activities and needs that her family have, I think it's time we go to the IKEA store and see what solutions we have to offer her. So let's go. So, after a few days of painting and building and organising, I think it's time we give Bhuvana and Adi their home back again. So let's hope they like it.
I'm totally blank. I don't know. And nothing is going in my head now. Oh my God. Is it our room? What a transformation.
Can't imagine.
I'm really in tears. I don't know. It's so beautiful. So nice.
I really can't believe this is our room. And it can become like this also. It's just amazing.
Come and see how it is.
So I can't.
Can you believe? This is our room, the same room. See, you got a place for your towel.
I asked him I need a place for my towel.
And look at the free moving space. I was bumping into the bed all the time. I think it looks so cozy and comfortable. I think I'll sleep well now from now on.
See, they put a mirror here.
There's a mirror here also.
This is my workspace. All the plug points and all, they go inside. They're inside this.
Is this also my dressing table? Oh God! So much for me.
It looks so beautifully.
It's just amazing. Lot of moving space for me. I think I can do my exercise here.
Thank you for the space for my towel.
So on your side, we've given you lots of smaller storage because we know you have your scissors and your threads and all your bits and pieces. So these, this is all yours.
I have a whole space for myself.
And some of the storage boxes you had, we've placed below.
This place looks so good. It used to be so cluttered. Oh my God. Wow, this is really good, man. For inspiration, all I have to do is just, when I'm feeling low, I can just look up, that's all.
This is really a surprise for me.
You can have your makeup here and your dressing, so this becomes more free flow.
You can search easily, otherwise I'll have to pull out everything. Oh, so easy. Oh, I can keep much more than this.
You can put the blockout away and just, if you want to have just some soft lights, you know, on a sunny day. And then we've layered it up. If it gets very warm, sometimes you can just block out. You're the first owner of the IKEA Home Stories horse. Yeah, number one.
It looks so good in real.
I know you can get your bedroom back again.
Really excited, the thrill. It couldn't have come at a better time than this.
Thank you, IKEA, for this wonderful home story of ours.